What's up guys, my name is Sean, welcome to my tech channel. If this is the first time you're stopping by and you like tech videos like this, you may want to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you won't miss my future videos. So this is going to be a short video. We are talking about LG's portable speaker. This is the PL5 model. And I just recently bought an LG OLED gallery series, which I will be dropping a video on that fairly soon. And they had a promotion and this speaker was coming with it for free. So I figured we'll just open it up and take a look at it together. I was checking out this speaker on Amazon. There is a PL5, which is this model, and there is a PL7, which is obviously a higher model. This is 20 watts and the bigger one, 30 watts. All the features are identical. The water rating is exactly the same. The way you pair them, the way you can hook them up to the TV is the same. So just the battery life and the wattage is different. This has a rating of 3 stars with 1 review on Amazon, which is bizarre. And the PL7 has 527 reviews on Amazon and 4.5 stars. So I'm just very curious to see, is this really not a good speaker for 126 bucks? We're gonna find out. It's a shame they have the box all taped up with different shipping labels, so you can't even really see the box. Inside the box, when you open it up, you immediately see the speaker itself. It has a bit of a weight to it. This is the black version. It actually feels really soft to touch. The fit and finish is really nice. You can definitely tell this is a premium speaker. You see the Xboom engraving at the top, as well as some of the controls from the battery level, power control, Bluetooth, the plus and minus for volume, skip, and sound boost. It comes with a USB cable, a USB-A to USB-C charger, so it's good. Charges with a USB-C. In the back, when you open it up, you have more ports here. You have the reset button, auxiliary port, a USB-C port for charging, a light, and looks like a couple of other options for, I'm not sure, maybe for pairing with other speakers. There is nothing else. So just a USB-C, small owner's manual. All right, this is the speaker. Looks like these are the woofers on the side. Let's turn it on and see if we have any juice. There's an app you can install with this as well that will give you a little bit more control. It's the LG Xboom. So the sound seems fairly full. The bass, obviously, you can only expect so much from 2-inch woofers, but for 120 bucks, this actually puts out a lot of volume. If this is the PL5 for 120 bucks, I mean, PL7 has to be even a lot more impressive. So this is it. This is the portable water resistant speaker. It's size of a soda can. It has a good amount of volume with the sound boost turned on. The bass is only what you can expect out of small 2-inch woofers you have on the sides. Maybe that's why people will pay about 50 bucks more to get the PL7 instead of a 5. This also have the option for you to pair it, and then you can use it as rear sound for your speaker. So it has a couple of neat features, but the app, on the other hand, it doesn't really do a whole lot. Looks like all the same features that you can actually control from the speaker itself. It just has it in there. I wish they had equalizer option in the app so you can fine tune how you would like to listen to this audio. This was it. If you guys liked the video, remember to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to turn on the notifications for my future videos. If you got any questions or comments about the speaker, drop a comment down below. I'll see you in the next one.